Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the Jensen alarm clock with the LED settings. So I'm going to open it. I bought this on Aliexpress and hopefully you guys would like to check this out with me. I paid about $14 in total for this box. So let's take a look what's inside. Give me a second. So as you guys can see, this is how the alarm clock looks. It's like a rectangular shape. It's got an LED screen in the front, and you've got the settings at the back, which says sets up and down, which means you can change the time from up and down. You can also use 3 AAA batteries to use if you want to use when you don't need to plug it in. It comes with a chargeable cable, which you can plug in with a USB port and obviously your point. Normally what I would suggest is to get a power bank, which you can see over here. If you plug your cable USB port in, and if you plug it into your clock, which is like that, then you'll see it will come on. Right now it is 11:30. So, sorry, 11:30. So you can see if I hold in the set button at the back and I hold it in for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to choose the time, which is 11:35 now. 11:35, it's 11:35. As you can see, the LED is very bright, so it's very clear to see what the time is. I think for $14 is affordable. For my point of view, it's easy to buy. You can look it up on Aliexpress. And if you guys are interested in getting one of these, I would suggest you look it up now because it's on a special for $14 online. My colleagues and them got it online, and I think it's very affordable to use. With the power bank, depending what power bank you could use, you can even plug it into your laptop, which would be also useful for you if you go to work and stuff like that and you need the time, put on an alarm maybe for a meeting, stuff like that. For my suggestion is, I like it, I think it's really cool, and yeah, I would use it.